Yo guys, so as you can see, £145 pair of shoes. I've applied my £100 discount code and the total has come to £45. So let me show you guys where you can get your JD Sports discount code. Let's do this. Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video today is going to be showing you guys how to get a JD Sports discount code. And this discount code will credit you 100 Great British pounds off your order, or $100 depending on your country. Now, JD Sports discount codes are pretty difficult to find. I searched 4 weeks trying to find the best available promo codes, and I've managed to find possibly the greatest codes that you're going to be able to find. So I'm going to be running through these steps in this video on my mobile phone and show you guys how you can go about getting your JD Sports promo codes. These work in 2023 and they will continue to work into 2024. So let me record my screen and show you guys where you have to go to get yours. So it's pretty easy. You just need to use your mobile and you need to basically go to this website, guys. So make sure you copy it, the same as how I'm going to type it here. giftcardhero.net. So you need to go to giftcardhero.net, and essentially, guys, you're looking for this website. You can go directly to the website by typing www. In front of that. And as you can see here, this website has tons of different pages. We need to press the menu page, and you can see at the top here there is a search function. Go to that and just type in just search JD, and it should be discovered. JD Sports promo codes 2023. Click on this page and scroll down. Now you can see here, guys, this is the code that I was mentioning. This is a £100 off your order code, and this works for new and existing customers. So it doesn't matter if you're an existing JD Sports customer, you can still use this code. Anyone can use this code, and I'm not sure if JD Sports is available in the US, but if it is, you can still use this code as well because it will give you $100. So basically, if you're in Euro, this will give you 100 euros. So yeah, this works worldwide, and you can apply this code in the basket, and it's going to reduce 100 off your order. So essentially, guys, all you need to do now is click on the reveal promo code button, and when you click this button here, there is going to be a page that comes up, and you need to just follow the instructions. I've already done this, so I won't do it again. I'll save these codes for you guys. But yeah, just make sure you follow the instructions on the next page. Essentially, you're going to need to complete a couple of free tasks. It takes around 5 minutes, and yeah, it's going to reveal your promo code. So that is it, guys. It's pretty easy. It's definitely the easiest method, and yeah, all you need to do is once you get your code, apply it to the basket and make sure you have £100 worth of products at least in your basket. Otherwise this code will not be applied. So yeah, you can add like 105 to the basket, add this code, and then you only have to pay 5. So it's pretty cool. So you need to go to giftcardhero.net and get your JD Sports discount code. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like the video as well. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.